Hello, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to make this quick vegetable sauce made with fruited pumpkin, that's ugu, and water leaf. Somehow like a dikaikon, but it's more in the sort of in the form of a sauce where you can eat with yam, your rice, or plantain. But before we go on, if you've not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe. And when you subscribe, hit the bell too so that you'll be one of the first people to get new videos whenever we post. So now for this recipe, we are going to be needing the following ingredients, which are very easy to come by if you're in Nigeria. Ugu. Your ugu should be properly washed and cut. After cutting it, you're going to sprinkle a little salt and let it stand until it is needed. Water leaf. Your water leaf should be properly washed before you cut so that you don't have any sand in your food. Red bell pepper. Wash properly, remove the seeds and cut it up into small bits. An onion. Peel off the skin, wash it properly and cut it up into the desired size. Crayfish. Your crayfish should not be pounded or blended. Just leave it full like this. That's how we're going to use it. We're going to pound it with the pepper to give off a very good aroma. Seasoning cube and salt. Palm oil is also going to be used. It's not pictured here. Put some palm oil in a pot to get hot a bit. Put in chopped onion into the oil to fry for a bit. Put in your pepper mix and stir for a bit so that until the aroma of the crayfish comes out. In goes the red bell pepper, loving the color already. So we're going to put in our pomo and also going to put our seasoning cube. The seasoning cube is quite strong, so after mixing I'll now crush it with a spoon. We're going to put in our salt now. Just put a little because remember you put some in the ugu. Ooh, this looks good. We're going to put our water leaves in now. Just make sure you squeeze it before putting it in so that you reduce the amount of water you're going to have in this sauce. Don't just pour it all in at once, please. So we're going to mix this now to make sure everything is properly incorporated. Be gentle with your mixing, please, so it doesn't pour. After a few minutes, we're going to put in our ugu. Because of the salt that you sprinkled on the ugu, it's going to have a lot of water. So when you put each hand, make sure you squeeze it properly before you put it in the pot. The salt will help drain the water so that it will reduce the amount of water you have in this sauce. Mix this gently. This ugu is a very healthy vegetable. It's rich in vitamin A, in vitamin C, in calcium, in iron. It has dietary fiber which will aid in digestion. So if you can incorporate this in your meals as often as you can, it will be very good for you. After mixing properly, now we're going to check for salt, for seasoning. You can see I added some salt because it wasn't enough for me. So you can just make sure you taste now and correct seasoning because you're going to keep it down very soon so they don't brown. After about 3 to 4 minutes, turning off the heat and this is ready. I still like it crunchy. It's cooked through but it's still crunchy. That's the way I like it when I'm taking it as a sauce. Here's our quick sauce. I'm having mine with boiled ripe plantains with some eggs. This is so good. Please, if you've not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe so that you get more recipes. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, bye.